Yo, it's Kayaks again. So before I begin, please like and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. We shall start by creating a composition. Name it main. It's 1920 by 1080 pixels, 10 seconds. And again, we shall create another composition, second composition, and it's going to act as our globe or circle or ball, the balls that you've been seeing. 1920 1080 pixels, 30 frame rate, and 10 seconds. Now inside our globe, we are going to create two solids. To create a solid, come to this area, right click, new solid, and let's change the background. I have my own color, but you can choose your own. And we are going to create the second solid. We can also create it from here on the menu, layer, new solid, and it's going to have a white background or a white color. The white color should be on top of this color because we want to differentiate it. Then after that, we are going to look for an effect called blinds. It's called blinds. It's called Venetian Blinds. Drag it on top of our white solid, and we're going to play around with these values here. Transition, you can increase around 28, it's according to how you want it. So here, direction, we need around 45, and width, play around with it. Transition, so that to get your perfect shapes, play around with it so that you can come up with perfect lines, or the lines that you need. So for me, that's what I need. Then we shall go back to our main composition. The effects panel is still open. Go back to the project panel. This is our main composition, already opened. Now our main composition, we shall give it a background image. You can choose a color, but if you need this exact image, it's in my description. You will have to extract it. So now this is the background of our main composition. So we shall grab the globe composition and drop it into our main composition. Has to be on top of our background. And after that, we're going to go to the effects panel. If you can't find the effects panel, come to the window and look for the effects panel, effects and presets panel. Here you will look for it and you'll find it. Now we're going to look for an effect called CC Sphere. CC Sphere, it's around here. We shall drag it on top of our globe composition, and you see it has created a ball-like shape. It's not actually a ball, but still a flat graphic, but it creates that perspective. And here is our effect. We can play around with the values. Rotation, if you need to, you rotate to see how you create what you need. Now you come to lighting. You can increase the lighting. You can come to shading option, ambient, and try to make it more brighter. So play around with these values and come up with what you need. You may find your creative graphical whatever is ahead of this word. So create your own. So now this is the perfect one I need. So what we are going to do next is we are going to animate it. Now we are going to use position. You can click P on your keyboard and they bring for you the position, or you can close, drop down here, come transform, and you look for the position here option here. But I like using the P, letter P on the keyboard, brings the only option you want. So now we are going to click or press alternate, the alternate key on your keyboard, and click this stopwatch. So when you do so, they'll bring for you where to type. So you're going to type wiggle brackets 0.3, 200. So now after that, when we preview, you can see that our globe or ball is moving. That's the transition that we have created using wiggle. It's a wiggle, actually. Wiggles. So now that one is moving. So after this, we are going to duplicate our globe. I'm going to just create 3 of them. Control D on your keyboard, or come to edit and duplicate while your layer is highlighted. So I need 3 of them. Control D, that's 2. I needed only 3. So 3. Now here you can see on our composition there are 3. So we are going to, I'm going to drag them using the selector tool and move them anywhere I need. This one I need it here, and this one I need it around there. The middle one I need it around here. The middle one here, need it around there. So the middle one I can reduce the size using scale S on your keyboard and reduce its size, and also the upper one S and reduce its size up to there. So if we preview by spacebar on your keyboard, you can see that our worlds or globes are moving. So now the last thing to do is to change the color. So changing the color, we're going to use an effect called Tint. Go to your effects panel, type in Tint, and this is the effect that we need. We are going to put it on this first one. You can see that it's black and white because here it's black and white, so we are going to change the color. We're going to use the eyedropper to pick this color here, color blue. You see it's nice. We are going to the second one, globe. We choose the Tint effect and still also change the color deep yellow. Yeah, around there. You can play around with the colors, come out with your perfect colors. So right now we have created our own universe. You can see we have created our own universe. So please, animations are simple. Please subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.